welcome back to EL Conversation Academy.
I'm sorry. I was stupid.
Do you know the day, month, year?
The voices. But he's a doctor.
No, he's not a doctor. Now listen to me. You gotta protect yourself in here, okay?
You're the mopping man.
Yeah, I'm Jay.
Where's your mom?
Doesn't matter. I gotta get out of here. You gonna be okay? Be careful.
It's time to get up. Wash your face. Wash your hands.
What are you doing?
I'm coming with you.
Look, you gotta go back inside. You gotta tell them what happened, okay? Please. What's wrong? What's happening? Look at me. Look at me. Just breathe. Breathe, okay? Just breathe, okay? Okay, look. Grab a cab. Call somebody, do something. Okay. Take care of yourself. You have no friends, you have no family, you have nobody. I mean, what am I supposed to do with you?
So, where is this girl?
Oh, she's coming down in a bit. She's a bit shy.
So you came back for money?
No, I didn't come back for money. I came back to see my little brother get married.
Honey, she's cleaning the bathroom.
Oh,
Daisy,
so?
she's cleaning our bathroom.
Hey, why are you cleaning the bathroom?
I clean. That's what I do. I did all the cooking and the cleaning for my mother.
Thanks for watching. Comment, share, like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.